To buy crypto with PayPal balance on the PayPal app, you need to have a verified PayPal account with a sufficient balance. Start by opening the PayPal app on your device and logging into your account. Navigate to the home page and click on the crypto section, which is usually represented by a Bitcoin logo. If you do not see the crypto section, you may need to click on the More or Settings icon to find it. Once you are in the crypto section, you will see a list of available cryptocurrencies to buy, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy by clicking on it. You will then be taken to a page that shows the current price of the cryptocurrency and the amount you want to buy. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to buy or the amount of money you want to spend. PayPal will automatically calculate the other value based on the current market price. Review your purchase details, including the amount of cryptocurrency you are buying, the price, and any fees associated with the transaction. If everything looks correct, click the Buy Now button to complete the purchase. PayPal will then deduct the purchase amount from your PayPal balance and add the cryptocurrency to your account. You can view your cryptocurrency holdings in the crypto section of the app. Keep in mind that buying cryptocurrency with PayPal is only available in certain countries and regions, and there may be fees associated with buying and selling cryptocurrency. It is also important to note that cryptocurrency prices can be volatile, so it is essential to do your research and understand the risks before buying. Additionally, PayPal has some restrictions and limits on cryptocurrency purchases, so be sure to review their terms and conditions before making a purchase. By following these steps and being aware of the potential risks and limitations, you can easily buy cryptocurrency with your PayPal balance on the PayPal app. Always prioritize security and only use reputable platforms like PayPal to buy and sell cryptocurrency.